guys! So, we are live. So, ito, nakapalo ako sa kanya. Subscribe na kayo! Mag-subscribe na!
Subscribe, guys, to me.
Yung isa dyan na.
Subscribe. That's my channel.
Naka-subscribe na ako, guys.
She's already
Naka-subscribe.
Mag-English ka. She's already subscribed.
I'm already subscribed.
Okay, my name is Olivia, and I have 179 subscribers, and
And her username is Conhadayo2365. There's no space.
okay, no space, and I have 492 videos. You better follow me.
Oh.
I mean, you better subscribe.
Yeah. Oh, come.
Her name is Akia, and this is Angel, and this is me.
Kiona.
Yeah, my actual name is Kiona. We're gonna make some dalgon.
We call her Kiona. They call me Angel. I call her Zakia. We're so pretty. Party. Wait, we're gonna off this shorts muna. Wait.
We gonna Tagalog.
We're back. So, ito, i-follow niyo yung page ko. I mean, subscribe. My name is Angel G. Mabuti, and my username is Angel G. Mabuti. No space, okay?
Ako din.
What's your name? What's your name? Wait, I'll gonna subscribe her. Wait for the name. We're back. So, look at her page. Her name is Mary Grace Hermohino, okay? And her username is Mary Grace Hermohino 3653, okay? Pat page, okay. Okay, let's go in. Wait lang. Wait. Hi guys, so if you follow my page, look at, I'm live. I'm doing shorts.
Pala.
Ha.
Kapal mo te.
Thank you, Yuna.
Subscribe to me. My name is ano nga yun? Conhadayo 2365.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we're making coffee.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See